Hello, guys. In this video, I will show you how to use two AI tools to create sound effects from text for free and without any limits. So, let's get started. First tool. Search for ElevenLabs. Go to their website. Sign up by entering your email. After signing up, you can skip entering additional details. Navigate to the sound effects section. Enter your prompt. Click Generate. You can also adjust settings here if needed. For sound effects will be generated. Try each one and download the one you need using the download icon. There is a total quota limit of 10,000 in the free account. You can create a new account if you exceed these limits to continue using ElevenLabs for free. Second tool. Search for Hugging Face Audio LM2. Visit the site. This is an open source model. Navigate to this space. Enter your prompt. You can change settings here as well. Generate the sound effect. Sound effects will be generated. Here are some more examples. Download it as shown. That's all. Thanks for watching.